Bro, we took the bus. That would have been like hours.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought we were taking the bus.
The train is faster.
Fool, you're the tour guide right now of fucking Los Angeles. Shit, is the cops right here? Shit. This is the train? Skate down here. It's a mission. This is too. This is literally 100 feet underground. Hey, they take debit for this? Or how much is this, dude?
It's free right now because of the wildfires.
No way.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, because of the what?
Dude, I've never been here. This is cool, dude. It looks kind of clean.
It's cleaner than no Hollywood for sure.
And you said the bums messed all this up?
Huh?
You said the homeless people messed all this up? Wait, are we
Well,
coming back?
not this one though. Like some other station.
All right.
The station's pretty chill.
Dude, I don't even know what I brought in my pockets. I was like, dude, I was hoping I wasn't gonna have to go back to the
Look at the art.
car.
Look at the art right here.
Right.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Damn.
Shit, huh?
What time is it coming? Is it late? Is it ever late?
Comes in a minute.
No way.
Oh no, 2 minutes.
Train to Union Station is arriving. Please stand back from clear to the left.
Oh damn! Look at that hole. Oh, it's coming right now,
Is it
dude.
worth the trip or what?
Hell yeah!
Worth the little adventure or what?
I just hope my car don't get jacked.
Jinx it, bro.
People will jack it, huh?
Now you put it in like in an open spot. You know what I mean?
Yeah. See, I knew I should have brought my niece's car. It's like,